Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Savon. Today we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the eye look. We're gonna go ahead and get started using this palette. It is the Beauty Creations, the palette Anna. So a couple weeks ago I posted this picture on my Instagram of this like summer set eye look, and I got pretty good feedback on it. So I wanted to recreate this look. I went ahead and primed my eyelids with this Morphe eye primer. So going in with our JS5 brush with this shade right here, we're gonna go ahead and buff this in as our transition shade. Moving on, I'm using this fluffy blending brush. I don't know what the name of this is. I kind of scratched it off. My guess, I want to say I think it's their Y17, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this. I don't want to be wrong. And you come back and be like, this is the wrong brush, Jenny. I'm sorry, I don't remember. So going in with this pink shade right here, I'm going to go ahead and blend that into our crease. With the same brush, making sure that it is clean, I'm going down in with this shade right here. I'm just going to darken that pink up just a little bit. So I'm taking my Y19 brush and I'm going in with this orange color right here and just going to go over that pink and that transition shade. And then taking that original brush that we used in the beginning, our JS5, we're gonna go ahead and soften our transition shade just a little bit. I don't know what brush this is, but this is from Avon, and I actually took it from my mother. She actually sells Avon, and I actually took it from her because I needed a brush like this. We're gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. I'm gonna pack that all over our lid. And we're taking that Y19 and we're gonna go in with these two shades right here. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that into the crease just a little bit. And of course, to top it all off, I'm gonna make sure the same JS5 brush that I was using, we're gonna take this yellow shade right here and we're just gonna blend that right on top. To kind of give me that sunset vibe, make it super fun for the summertime. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my eye look off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching. Bye.